All right, guys, so I'm going to explain. I'm talking to the video. I'm sorry. All right. I'm going to explain how to solve inequalities in a different way. All right. So take a look at this inequality. All right. 1/3 times the quantity of a minus 3, quantity squared, take away 6 is less than or equal to 42. All right. And I'm giving away the ending right here. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve graphically. All right, so this is something to be handled with care. All right, you don't want to simply throw this in here and find an answer and it not mean anything. You need to think, really, this side of the inequality is a quadratic function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph that quadratic function. So here it is. Here's f of x equals 1/3 quantity of x minus 3 squared minus 6. Shout out to vertex form, 3 negative 6. Okay, and what I'm basically saying is I'm saying this quadratic function has to be less than or equal to 42. So I'm going to graph the function g of x equals 42, which is a constant function at 42, at y equals 42. Okay? So I'm basically asking, when is this parabola less than 42? Well, that would be, and let me get my highlighter tool. Wouldn't it be this? This whole part of the parabola is less than g of x, right? So I need to find these points of intersection, which happen to be at x equals -9 and x equals positive 15. All right, so it's kind of like saying that my answers are here, in between -9 and 15, which means I have -9 is less than or equal to a is less than or equal to 15. All right, this is a lot like our test intervals. Any number in between -9 and 15 is going to satisfy this inequality. Any number outside less than -9 or larger than 15 is not going to satisfy the inequality. All right, so again, to solve graphically, you're simply comparing two functions, the left side of the inequality as a function versus the right side of the inequality as another function. Graph both functions and then carefully analyze. Well, first of all, find the intersection. All right, once we have found the intersection, right there at -942 and 1542. All right, I think, where is the function actually less than 42? And that's all of these. Look at all these outputs. They're all less than 42. All right, and so then I just express my answer in inequality notation, and that's all there is. So this is a great way to check your algebraic work, all right, or it's a way of finding an answer and then working algebraically as well. All right.